Hey, it's Saturday evening, chilly Saturday evening, but it's very nice because we got Snickers showed up, aka Mouse Ears. Hi, buddy. He's such a good guy. And Snicks is having a little cantaloupe, which we found he likes, and some apple slices. So a nice little mix for him. And then he's probably going to run out because all the young does are waiting to go dancing with him tonight. Because he's so handsome. Right, pal? Look at those ears. Oh, they're gorgeous, those ears. What? I know, I'm getting it for you. He's a little impatient. That's because he's young.